Good morning, and thank you for coming. I am grateful to be able to talk to you about life insurance and its importance. Sure, it's a financial product that pays out a lump sum of cash when someone dies. But it's also so much more than that. It's a way to provide security and peace of mind to the client and their loved one. I want to tell you a story. Imagine this. There is a mother battling cancer and is missing a lot of work with medical bills piling up. When she receives a call from a hospital informing her that her son is very sick and will need a transplant to live. Despite their best efforts, he never received that transplant. And now she is left to deal with the unimaginable grief of losing her child on top of everything she's dealing with. She is now left wondering how she was going to pay for the funeral expenses since there was no life insurance in place. Thankfully, a wonderful friend and benefactor stepped in to help with the cost of her son's burial. And she didn't have to go mortgage her home or start a GoFundMe page. Wow, was that a tremendous gift? We have to remember, though, that not everyone has someone that can turn to in times of financial need. I want to tell you the story because it's my story. This was my mom and her son, my baby brother, 27 years young. Let's face it, life's unpredictable. None of us know what the future holds. This is probably the best way for me to explain why life insurance is important, and this is the reason I started in this industry 7 years ago. But did you know that there are different types of policies? Because we know not every situation is the same. I'm going to cover the main three. So let's start with term insurance. Think of this as your basic no-frills option. Term life insurance coverage is for a specific period of time, usually ranging from 10 to 30 years. So say you have a mortgage and have extra expenses that you're going to be paying on. This type of insurance is great for people who are looking for a simple and affordable way to have extra coverage during this time of debt. Plus, the premiums are often lower than other life insurance. Now, let's talk about whole life insurance. This is the Cadillac of life insurance products. Whole life insurance provides coverage for the entire lifetime. This type of insurance also has a cash value component, which means that over time, the policy can accumulate cash that can be borrowed against or used to pay premiums later in life. They usually include living benefits, so it can also help you while you're alive. Last but not least, we have final expense insurance. This type of insurance is specifically designed to cover the costs associated with a person's final expense, such as funeral and burial costs. It's a great option for people who want to make sure that their loved ones aren't burdened with these expenses when they pass.